Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You know, growing up in Vegas, there was a supper club called Phillips Supper Club. It was, at the time, out of town almost, like Decatur and Sahara, which is now the middle of the city. But back then, it was seemed like out of town because there was nothing behind it. Anyways, at this supper club, they had a filet and a reduced port wine sauce with mushrooms that was to die for. Well, I'm recreating it today, so stick around. We're gonna do it next. Phillips Supper Club, Filet Mignon, reduced port wine sauce with mushrooms. All right, let's get started on these amazing steaks. So we're gonna liberally salt with kosher salt both sides of these fillets. Flip them over, press them down, do the other side. And once we have both sides done, we're gonna rotate them to the side and roll them around. Pick up all that salt off the board. And this way our steak is coated on all sides in salt. You may think it's a lot of salt, but it's a pretty thick piece of meat, so it's not. And once we're done, we're gonna put these on a plate, pop them in the refrigerator overnight. And you'll see here in a minute, the next day, how dark they are, because they have now dry aged in the fridge. Beautiful. So we're going to sous vide these steaks. So we're going to put them into a food saver, suck out the air. If you don't have this kind of machine, you can use Ziploc bag, that's fine. But once we get all the air out, we've got our tub full of water. You got our sous vide set at 130 degrees. We're going to set our steaks in there. Put a couple clips to hold it in place. And I also like to throw a little rack on there so nobody floats away. So at 130 we're going to let this go for 2 hours, and this is going to cook our steaks perfectly. So while the steaks are cooking, we're going to work on our sauce. I've got half of a white onion, you can use yellow as well, diced up in my saucepan. Hit it with a little olive oil. Give that a good mix, make sure everybody's nice and coated. Next, we're going to add about a tablespoon of dry thyme. And we'll mix that in. And you talk about fragrant. Your whole house is going to smell amazing once this thyme starts to heat up. So we'll let that cook for a few minutes. And then we're going to add about 1.5 cups of beef broth. There we go. Next, we're going to add about 1.25 cups of good quality port wine. That's it. And then lastly, about a tablespoon, maybe a little bit more, of balsamic vinegar. I had just the glaze, not the vinegar, so I used a little less. And we'll mix that up, and we're going to let this cook for about 15 minutes. So while that's cooking, we're going to make our mushrooms. So I'll get my small frying pan out. I've got some sliced up portobello mushrooms. We're going to hit these with a little bit of salt to help sweat out the liquid out of them. And then we're going to toss in a knob of butter. And we'll let these cook down for a few minutes. And that's what we're looking for right about there. So now we're going to add some white wine or some cooking sherry, whatever you have. If you don't want to use alcohol, you can use chicken broth. And then we'll let those cook on low until our steak is ready. And while I'm doing that, if you can remember to please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. I really appreciate it very much. Tell everybody all about us. Back to our sauce. It's been cooking for 15 minutes. Now it's time to thicken it. I've got some cold water and some cornstarch that I mixed up. And a little bit at a time, we're going to add that to our sauce until it gets to the desired thickness that we like. Now it's time to transfer and clean the sauce. So I've got another saucepan out and my strainer, because we don't want all those onions and thyme in our sauce. We just wanted to use it for flavor. So now we're just going to pour straight through the strainer, capture all the onion and thyme, and we'll be left with nothing but good, delicious steak sauce in the smaller pan. Use your spoon there to make sure you get all the sauce out. Beautiful. There we go. And we'll let this cook a little longer till it thickens up. And we're gonna let that go. We'll add a little bit of butter to it for some extra flavor. And right about now, our steaks are about ready to come out of our sous vide. We'll take those out. And they're not very appealing after cooking the sous vide, as you can see there. So we're going to drop them into a hex-clad pan that's on high and put a nice sear on these steaks. We'll hit them with a little salt and pepper. And you'll see when we flip these over how much more desired they look. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, that's perfect. All right, we'll do the other side. Then we're going to pull them off, let them rest for 5 minutes. Then we're going to plate. We're going to hit them with our mushrooms, our sauce. Serve them up, and you have an amazing filet steak with mushrooms and port wine sauce that is to die for. Make this recipe. You won't regret it. It is outstanding. All right, we'll see you on the next one, and have a great day.